Hooty hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. I'm Tall Mike, March 10th. It's a Wednesday. What I want to talk today about is silver. Well, let's take a look at what's going on in the markets. Dow's up about 200 points. Nasdaq's up about 100. We had that bounce in the Nasdaq we're talking about. Will the bounce continue? Time will tell. Time will tell. Today I want to talk about silver. This bright, shiny silver metal and some silver miners. Now everybody always asks me, Mike, why are you always talking about silver? It's not doing anything. It's just a dead metal. It's like gold. Gold and silver are old school. Bitcoin's where it's at. Bitcoin, once again, going higher. It's at 56,000. 56,000. Now, Bitcoin probably has pulled some of the action away from the gold and silver market, and I'm thankful for that. It keeps the prices low so that I can go out and I can buy more silver. More silver. I want to buy more. Right now, there's a silver price for the physical, and there's a silver price for the paper. Now the paper, the SLV here is, well, it's trading about $24. Okay. The actual price of silver, the spot price as they call it, is about $26. But when I go buy these silver eagles, they're about $35. Now silver's at 26, these are at 35. A $9 premium, people would say. I say it's not a premium. I say it's two completely separate markets. There's a physical silver market and there's a paper silver market. You want to be in the physical if you can. Now, the miners is a whole nother ball of wax. Okay, the miners are one of the few stock that are still a bargain. And we're going to talk about the miners here. So, all right. We got silver, the SLV about 24, really not doing much of anything for the last 6 months. It was 24 6 months ago. It's 24 now. Okay, that's fine. What we got going on in gold? Look at gold over the last 6 months. It's just come down, 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 down. People say gold is dead. Mark Cuban went on TV. He said gold is dead. Gold is dead. Really, Mark? Really? You know, he used to say Bitcoin was a big sucker's game. Now he's a big Bitcoin bull. Bitcoin bull. Look it. I like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to 100,000. That's probably actually true. I believe that. But hey, don't throw out your gold. Don't throw out your silver. This is real money. And nobody can tell me when we print $1.9 trillion in a stimulus package that the value of real money, which is gold and silver, doesn't go up. And the value of your paper money just goes down and down and down. Just go to the gas station. Go to the grocery store. There's inflation. That stuff's being devaluated 20% a year. Another 5 years, it'll be completely worthless. Is this going to be completely worthless? Is silver ever going to be completely worthless? Not a chance. Been real money for 5,000 years. 5,000 years gold and silver has been real money. How long's Bitcoin been money? I don't even know if Bitcoin's money, but Bitcoin's been around about 12 years. Okay, I'm taking my chance. I'm an old guy. I'll stick with the gold and silver play. I'll stick with it. I'm still buying it. I'm still stacking it. If it goes down more, I want it to go down more. I get excited. I just bought some gold over the weekend. Got two more coins. Look at this drop in the last month. Now, we bounced yesterday, and we'll probably bounce off this low. But hey, if gold goes down more, silver goes down more, that's where I get excited. Everybody else, they get excited when it goes up. They're going, look at it, it's going up, it's going up. Well, when it goes up, it means the world is not doing very well. Now, we're sitting on this big, let's call it a powder keg, this big debt bubble, and that's going to blow. It's going to blow up. What's it going to do to gold and silver? You're not going to be able to find this at any price, but it's going to 10x. $30 be $300. It's going to 10x. Mark my words on that. Don't know when. Probably still 5 years away. Let's hope, because the world is not going to look so good when that happens. When the debt bubble blows, this world is not going to look good. It's going to send crashing down the stock market, crashing down the real estate market. It's going to crash down the your dollars. 5 years, look it's losing 20% a year. Why is it losing 20% a year? Because the idiots in Washington keep printing more money. They just printed $1.9 trillion for this stimulus package, and they already got a $3 trillion one for infrastructure on. They're doing $5 trillion a year. $5 trillion, but they're not going to stop at $5 trillion. They're going to have to bump it up. They're going to soon be doing $10 trillion a year. They're going to wipe out your dollars. Wipe them out. This is what you want to have your hands on. You want to get some of this. It's the cheapest asset on the planet. Let's take a look at some of the miners. Let's take a look. All right, here's one. Pan American Silver. What am I doing with this? Just today, I'm buying calls. I'm buying calls all the way out to July. Now I got all the way to July for this to bounce off this 50-day moving average. Look at the slope on the 50-day moving average. Straight up, going higher. Now if it breaks through this is actually, this is a weekly chart. So this is the 50-week moving average. Now this takes away a lot of the noise, but you can have bought it down here at $10 and now it's up here at $30. Okay, but this is going to bounce higher. I'm looking for this to get to $40 or $50. I think it's going to bounce off of here. I really do. I bought calls just today. So what else we got? Let's take a look at Mag Silver. Mag Silver sitting on the 200-day. Now this is a daily chart. And sitting right on the 200-day at 1658. These are strong support. 50-day strong support. 200-day strong support. This is very strong support. But look at the slope upward in the 200-day. I think we're going to bounce to the upside. That's just my opinion. I'm a gambler. I'm a stock market gambler. It's what I do. Let's take a look at another one here. Okay, EXK Endeavor Silver. Okay, the 50 days right at 5.25, and we jumped right off it to 560. It's probably a good place to pick some up. Silver, in my opinion, is going to go higher as long as we keep printing money. Now, they say that you're going to beat down the paper. So, yeah, JP Morgan's in there manipulating things. Yeah, Bitcoin's taking away the thunder. Let's hope it does. I'd love for these to pull in. But I think the miners are still the best bargain of anything in the stock market. Look, I don't know. Tesla had a big move and it just jumped 100 points yesterday. Is it going to keep going up? Maybe, but I'd rather be in the silver miners. I like sleeping at night. I feel comfortable being in them. I feel comfortable stacking silver. I feel comfortable with it. I think it's a good place to put your extra money. If you have an extra $35, why not pick one of these up and just look at it? Go, wow, that's silver. I have some. $35, cheapest asset on the planet. I'm telling you, get yourself some silver. Why not? This is what I'm looking at today. The silver miners, 2 thumbs up. You want to get into the silver mining stocks. If you like this stuff, give me a thumbs up. Hey, if you really like this stuff, hit that subscribe button. We'll talk more again soon. Get out there, have a great Wednesday, and we'll talk again real soon. Bye-bye now.